try to toast it for you, story? You want to do it yourself? Holy Moses!
Uh-oh, that's a lot of wind.
All right, we're just packing up our campsite here at Long Lake, New York in the Adirondacks, and we're changing out our composting toilet. We'll make sure to put a link in the description below for that. I'm gonna take you on the journey as we clean this bad boy out. It's been awesome staying at this campground, and when you're at a campground for more than a few days, it's when we like to do a lot of things that we don't get to do when we have like a dumpster around that we can use. So like cleaning our toilet out and making it all fresh and new. Some of the things we like to take advantage of a campground for. Of course, obviously the sunsets and sunrises as well are awesome, especially from the top deck. We're saying goodbye to the park, saying goodbye to Long Lake, and our kids are in there getting their own ice cream because, well, they run this place apparently.
Yeah.
Back up! Yay! Go slow. Good.
Her concentrated tongue.
Look at that. Yay!
Good job!
Ice cream is yummy.
So I don't know if you guys know who Mike from Navigation Nowhere is, but he's one of the first people that we met in bus life. And so we're here in the Adirondacks hanging out on his property for just 2 days. We dropped off Gma, which is my mom. So she's not our nanny anymore. Her back just couldn't handle it, but she's gonna try to get that fixed and all that kind of stuff. But we have Amy flying in tomorrow into Albany. So we're picking up Amy tomorrow. Then we're gonna hang out in New York City in just a few short days. Crazy. Wow.
Oh.
Brilliant.
Actually, we need stuff off of that.
Oh, do we?
Like 10 clients this year already.
Oh, well, you're so you're gonna do that. Okay, so we made little tiny holes, but we need to make bigger holes
Yeah,
because
that's a chafe point.
that's a chafe point.
We don't like
so
that.
we're gonna fix that up.
We're just gonna make it a little longer. It's fine.
So obviously, if you're following our channel, there's a really good chance that you're following Navigation Nowhere. So this is the bus that they're working on right now. And friends coming in to build their buses as well. But this thing is amazing. I'm not gonna go too far in case I'm not supposed to show something on this build yet, but there it is. Look at that.
Now we can pass the wires to that guy.
Beautiful. What we thought was going to be a really simple, easy fix turned out to be a 2-hour job because lots of things were not wired correctly in the solar panel part. Like, we did them as parallel, but we have to do them as series parallel because the voltage was too strong and it was heating up our wires and melting Wagos and things like that. So, melting Wago's band name.
It was programmed for a 12-volt system with 200 amp hours, when in fact it's a 24-volt system with 600 amp hours. So it just had to get updated.
So what eventually was going to happen is we were going to burn our wires and batteries were going to faulty and die. And anyway, I just needed one thing from Mike that he had, and I was just going to buy this really cheap part and fix it myself and then be done. And then Mike fixed my whole entire life, which is what he does.
He saved our nanny.
He saved our nanny. So thanks, Mike, wherever you are.
Down the
She's gonna
street.